what?
2 feet of water in the house, the whole thing.
There's 2 feet of water in the whole house?
2 feet of water in the whole house. A consistent dirt line through where the tide one sat in the house. Everything.
What is it at now?
2 feet of water in the house.
Well, not 2 feet of water in the house now, but it got to a 2 feet height. Right now, it's the whole floor is just mush, and it's 2 centimeters in the house still. But down the road, up to my knees here. So
We're not going back home.
no, we've lost a lot of stuff. Your bed, so much was lost in that. Your bed floated, your desk floated, your chair floated. The whole mattress on the floor soaked, soft, ruined. My shoes floated away out of my room.
Well, I'm glad we put things high. See, this is why we prepped and we put things high that were important.
Things in my bed are probably fine.
Things on the upper bed for the bunk bed are probably fine. So the roof's still there.
The roof is still there.
Okay, so we mean, like, so we
2 feet of water came into the house.
So we gotta move.
Yes, we're going to be, well, we're at least not going to be living at that house for right now.
The inside became
So we're gonna be living.
At a hotel temporarily. We're going to be calling the insurance company tomorrow, I guess. I mean,
yeah, I recorded as much as I could of it.
yeah, no, I mean,
It is really dark in that house. This light is not enough.
yeah, no, that's okay. That's okay. You did the best you could.
Yeah.
I'm proud of you. You were brave, dude. You went back there and checked it out.
You did a good job.
There's not much we can do here. So, yeah. Yeah, I mean, sure. We don't have a house. But I think the office is okay.
The office is definitely okay.
So let's go back over to the office.
Where are we going to live in the office?
Well, for a couple of days, we're going to be figuring it out.
The office is going to totally gone. So right now, what I put in. Cars all the way over here.
2 feet of water in the house. We lost the house.
He's doing a dumb thing. He's going to lose the vehicle. There was already a stalled van on that road.
Is that who was beep 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 beep?
No. Actually, the beeping was from a horn that shorted out in one of the vehicles, and it was just an electric horn that shorted out because of the flood water. It got so tall, it shorted out the actual horn, so it was just beep, 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 beep. I passed that vehicle, and it was just beeping all the time. That's
I thought somebody like needed help.
But my Monty's probably fucked, or my van's probably fucked, the house is fucked, yeah. I'm glad we weren't there, but there's snakes in that water too, so there's more things to worry about than just...
So, is it a probably we're gonna lose the house or
No, the house is fucking lost. I mean, they might rebuild it, but we're not going to be living in it for a while.
months.
Yeah, for a while. So,
There's been recorded 2 feet of water in there.
yeah, no doubt.
It's all throughout that house. I saw the same 2-foot line across the whole house. No room was safe.
Yeah, no,
Garage
I
was
mean,
propped
2 feet of
open.
water is 2 feet of water.
The garage was pushed open, I'm assuming by the action of the water.
Yeah. Alright. Alright. Thank you, buddy. I love you. You go get your waders off. Let's get situated. Nothing we can do now.
2 feet of water in my fucking house.
Sorry, down. Out. Sorry, down.
That's why we bought the computers. This is why we packed up the shit. That's why we did what we did. The water is receding.
It is, but it got to a height of 2 feet there.
Yeah. Alright guys, I am so sorry. You know, this is shitty. We will rebuild life, you know? That's all we can do is rebuild. We didn't lose everything. We might have lost the house, but we
I
got...
said there's like 2 feet of water in my house. Sorry, I am losing it.
Alright, you wanna hop in? apparently. We're gonna get going.
Okay, where are you?
Well, I guess the next stop is to see if we can go check on Aunt Missy.
Is your house flooded?
We're not going that way. We're gonna see if we can go this way. Go around the back way.
I just want to make sure you're okay.
Where?
We came back over here.
To Aunt Missy. Trying to get to Aunt Missy.
What the fuck is that burning smell?
Fires, battery fires.